Elastic goes, they expand and shrink. Memories blur faster than you think. A moment's forever, the next just a blink. In this elastic time, we sink or swim. So hold on tight to now, 'cause time will wait for you. In this elastic flow, each second's precious true.
This movie that I think you like. This guy decides to quit his job